You ready to go out, girl? Let's go.
I'm so ready.
Hi guys, I'm Anna. I'm the global artist here at e.l.f. Cosmetics. Who we have is Stella, my model for the day. So to get this simple look, we're gonna use one of my favorite newest launches that we have. It's our liquid glitter eyeshadows. It comes in 8 different shades, and at $5, you really get a big bang for your buck. So today we're using 2 colors. This one is Bling Bling and Black Magic. I am gonna start off with this. This is our putty eye primer. Today I'm using cream on her, and I'm gonna take a little brush and I'm gonna apply it on her lid just to even out that skin color. And the great thing about this is that it's gonna help prevent the crease and make it wear all day, so that way when I do the glitter eyeliner on her, it's going to stay put. So now let's go into the actual liner itself. Something that's super foolproof to do is to take the color, this one is called Bling Bling, and I'll use a nice angled brush, and I'm gonna take some of this and literally do the inner corner of the eye. It's just gonna give that really nice pop and highlight of color. So I'm gonna use this on the outer edge of her eyes just to give her a little pop. So let's show her Black Magic. And I would recommend using an angled brush to apply it so you can get more of a precise application versus using it from the actual doe foot itself. All right, so there you have it. A really simple, easy look that you could do for daytime or use it as a nighttime look. There's many different colors that you can choose from to switch out your looks, which is really, really, really nice because at $5, you really can just go ahead and buy all of them.
And that's it for now, folks.
And that's all, folks.